Welcome to the Excel Events Raffle Overview video series. In this step, we'll show you how to add your raffle items to your event. We'll start by going back to our event checklist and selecting the Add Raffle Items step. You can also find this page under your menu under the Raffle Add Items button. There's two ways you can add your items. The first way would be to import your items in a bulk list, which you can do by reading our instructions and then uploading your items file. You can also add items one at a time by clicking the Add Items button. When you do that, you'll be able to add your item name. We'll call this as X raffle item. We'll also ask for an item code. This will be a 3-letter code that your raffle participants will use to submit their raffle tickets towards certain items. From there, we'll have you select a category for that item. You can also create new categories in your raffle settings page. And then finally, we'll ask you to enter your item description and any images you have for that item. Type that description right in here. And then you can also click in the gray field to upload an image or select an image for your item. When you're all set, you can close this field and you will automatically save all your settings. There's no button you need to press. This will save automatically as you change your items. You can also change the order of your items by drag and dropping or by simply right-clicking on the item to send that item to the top or bottom of your list.